Hi everyone, welcome to Teachmint. This video will help you understand how to create and share tests with your students. To start with, scroll towards the Test tab and click on the Test tab. Click on the plus test button to add a new test. Enter the topic of your choice here, whether it's algebra, polynomials, Pythagoras theorem. Here we are choosing polynomials. Enter the test date of your choice, which was in 19 September here. And you can also choose the start timing for your test, changing it to 10 AM here. You can choose the test duration in minutes. If it's an hour test, you can choose 60 minutes. If it's longer, then you can change it accordingly. Here we are giving a 15 minutes short test. If there are any additional details that you want to share with your students, share them through the description section. Enter the maximum marks and add attachment. Your question papers can be added as attachment. It can either be a Word doc or a picture. Just click on the Add Attachment and you can add. Click on the Save and Create button. You can choose whether to add solution or not. Even if you add the solution, the students will be able to view it only after they have submitted the test. Now the test has been created. In order to view submissions, just click on the View Submissions button. And to evaluate the test, just click on the Evaluate button. Your students can share their tests either by clicking a picture or a screenshot as per their convenience and as per their choice. To view the test, just click on the Download button. And you can view it through your gallery, review the test and mark them accordingly. You can also give them feedback. Your students and their parents will be able to see the grades and the feedback so they can track their progress and improvement accordingly. Now just click on the Save button. It's as simple as that. Thank you for choosing Teachmint and happy teaching!